is October 24th, 2024. We are about a week from Halloween, and we are talking about yet another hurricane coming up from the Caribbean, making its way towards Florida, and basically making landfall in the same exact spot as Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton. All right, and now the crazy part about this, my friends, get ready for this. Landfall is expected, as of the data we have now, on Election Day, November 5th or the 4th. And as you can see, it's Western Florida, right near where Hurricane Milton and Hurricane Helene were both forecast to hit. I just want to say we have plenty of time for this to change, but for the last few days, I've been talking about this on X and showing these areas that are still prime for development of big hurricanes. And once again, my friends, here we are with another potential hurricane, and just the fact that this thing is showing on November 4th is going to put a lot of hype around this hurricane if it does continue to form. So I will obviously keep you updated on this storm from start to finish, but one thing we need to point out right now, as far as what this season has done, we are already the number 3 most costliest hurricane season on record. We are only third to 2 other seasons, which we may still beat. And as you can see right here, we are at $151 billion, only third to 2017 and 2005. With just the North Carolina damage alone from Helene, we may be pushing the number 1 costliest Atlantic hurricane season we've ever had. Now, for those of you that are going to tell me, oh, there's no hurricane forming, take a look at the Global Tropics Hazard Outlook Zone. The most favorable area for a hurricane to form is forming exactly where I just showed you. And this chart happens to go right through November 5th, the day after we see landfall near Florida. As far as the stats go for this season, on top of what I told you about the damage we've already been through, at this moment, Hurricane Milton is still the strongest storm we've had at 180 mile per hour sustained winds. And then we had Nadine and Oscar, which puts us to 15 total depressions, 15 total storms, 10 of those becoming hurricanes, and as of right now, 4 were major. My friends, whether this storm forms or not, the point here is to show you that the Caribbean and the Gulf are both very much capable of producing and continuing to strengthen these hurricanes. It's no coincidence that we see these storms wanting to go to the same exact areas almost every time we see a storm developing. No matter where they form, they've all been wanting to wrap into that Western Florida area. And finally, I want to end with this. Take a look at this chart. Since 2017, you're looking at every single major hurricane landfall in the Gulf of Mexico. That is 10 major hurricanes since 2017. Now, I want you to notice something right off the bat here. Look at how evenly spaced apart these major hurricane landfalls are in the state of Florida all the way through the Panhandle, and then it basically skips Alabama and Mississippi, and then goes right to Louisiana, where we have 3 major hurricane landfalls, not even counting Katrina, which was in 2005, and then we have Hurricane Harvey over here in Texas. What this leads me to believe, and you can believe this if you want, we should be expecting major hurricane landfalls around Alabama, Mississippi, and then 1 or 2 in coastal Texas between Hurricane Harvey and Hurricane Laura of 2020. Make of that what you will, my friends, but that is something that I very much see happening in the next couple of years, if not sooner. All right, my friends, with that said, that is what I got for you for today. Please share this video. If we have a hurricane on Election Day, that would be complete mayhem. Let's hope that all changes. I appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to Canada, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all, and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.